Hello, everyone. Glad to see you all here. So my name is Azad. I am one of the organizers of JS Coding Challenge. As you can see, now I'm here alone. So last time opening was done by uh, our co-organizer Katya, but closing event will be driven by me. So as you can see, our JS Coding Challenge is over. We had 3 weeks of very interesting tasks and you can see them here. So let's just make it a little more interactive. So if you will hear your name, for example, today, or if you will see your name, or just for example on this page, right? If you will see the week that was most interesting for you, please just write in the comments, write your emotions, write how do you like it, or even you can just add emojis. It's totally fine. It's very important for me to see that you are currently here and listening for me. So as you can see, we had 3 weeks of really peaceful coding with 10 tasks every week for really various skill levels. So first week was about the fundamentals, the second week was about algorithms, and third week was about design patterns and framework specifics. So we had some React tasks and so on. So if you liked, for example, algorithms week most, please write it down and I will just switch to the next slide. Actually, it was the biggest run that we had. So probably for some of you, it will be a little surprising, but it's not first JS coding challenge run ever. Actually, this event was organized by us with Katya uh, first time last year. Actually, it was a little initiative that we had in Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan. So we had, just um, gained up with people and thought that it will be very interesting to have to solve code wars tasks and also to track each other's progress. And our first run was only for Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan, and we had very interesting involvement. So a lot of guys said that it was pretty interesting for them. So the second time we had it in spring, and we had it for bigger region. So it was in Gubka, it was in Georgia, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and Armenia. And then we had really, more participation, of course, because we had more people involved. But this time we broke every record because, as you can see, we have more than 300 participants from 28 countries. And also we have 224 active participants. And actually, when I was looking into this list of countries, I was sometimes even surprised because, you are sitting here in Central Asia, and we also have a lot of people who are sitting from the different part of the world who are also participating in it, and it's really nice to see that this event is kind of uniting us. And yeah, before announcing the results, probably we already have one question. Let me look into it. Great event. Thank you for organizing it. Also, I think it should be very useful to have such events again, maybe for a longer period, like a few months, but with less tasks per week. So it's easier to combine with project activities. Again, thank you. Yeah, and thank you for participating. Thank you. And yes, I think it's good idea and we are working on it. I can say that it's not the last event that we are going to have. So, and probably we will think about the amount of tasks each week. But as you can see, we had 20 people who have solved every task that they have. So actually, it's really surprising amount of people who solved every task, and it's really cool to see it. So guys, if you see yourself in this list, please write down a comment or leave an emoji or write about your feelings, as it's really cool to see you here because you solved a lot of tasks. You solved 30 tasks and you gained maximum amount of points, 400 of them, right? And also we had people who gained second and third place. Actually, this difference between first and second and third place was not very big, so that's why we decided to highlight everyone in the first three places. And also, guys, I would like to say that, of course, you will be able to have the certificates from us. Is the first thing, just to prove that you participated in this challenge and to say that, hey guys, probably to show it to your manager or to your colleagues. And of course, we also have some very nice presents for you. So yeah, I think that's it from my side. Here you can see the leaderboard. Also, you can see the platform itself. The link for the platform will be available forever. So actually, next time when we will be organizing this event again, we will be using the same platform that we have developed in our location here for ourselves. Just, first time when we were organizing this JS coding challenge event, we were doing everything by hands and we were counting points by hands, and it was not very practical. But now, yeah, thanks a lot for Katya, for guys who helped us in developing this platform. We've done a really nice job to optimize everything. Also, you can see the KB page link, knowledge base page. Your results will be saved here, there forever. So every time in the future, you can come back to this page and check yourself. And also, if you will be participating in the next challenges, of course, your results, so you can just start doing some strikes and continue earning first place. And I think it will be even cooler achievement. And also, you can subscribe to our Teams channel. This Teams channel will be really helpful because in the future we will be announcing this stuff, and that's it. So yeah, and while we have time, we have a lot of time actually. I'm seeing some questions, so let me look into them. Yeah, Evgeny, you say that tasks should be harder. Probably we will think about it. Probably next time they will be a little more harder. Yeah. The code challenges about more deeper vanilla JavaScript were too interesting, using generators, creating events, and so on. Yeah, Nestor, thank you for your feedback, and thanks a lot for Katya. She was selecting most of the tasks by herself. Alexander Specifsov says, where can I find tasks from the previous run? Actually, we are not storing them anywhere anymore because these runs were sort of local ones. But if you are interested, you can write to me in Teams. I can find them in my backyard. I will try to find them and I will send them to you. And Sergey Morozov says it was a great challenge. Thanks for that. Thank you, Sergey, for participating in it. Actually, we were interested. Why are there so many people participating in this challenge? And we understood that the main reason is you, because when you are solving these tasks by yourself, it's not so interesting. But when you have so many people around you and you have this competitive mode, you are solving more and more tasks to be the first one. It's the place when everything gets more interesting, right? So that's why JS Coding Challenge is organized by you, and it's made so great only because of you. So yeah, and also I think, yep, that's it. So if you have no more questions, please visit our links that you can see on your pages, the JS Coding Challenge platform page, Kebab page, and Teams channel link. And also you can use this beautiful QR code to go to the JS Coding Challenge platform from your phones. And see you next year, I believe, because I believe that next JS Coding Challenge is going to be sooner than you expect. Thank you.